We fell out of love like shooting stars came crashing down, and we're building back up again now.
Hello you guys, I'm the Diva, and today's video is going to be my first impression of some contacts that I received from the company Vandora. They asked me to try them out, see if I like them, and if I do, then I can do a video on them and let my subscribers know that they will get a discount off of the contacts that they in turn purchase. And I do want to let you guys know I went to the website and I love almost everything. They have some really spooky, scary looking contacts for Halloween. Do you? I don't do that type of thing, but I do love me some gray contacts, and they have such a variety of gray contacts that I was loving it. So I can even try out some brown ones. My eyes are brown, but I can even try out some other brown color ones, and just I can try out all kinds. But these right here are the contacts that I normally use, and so they only have like a small select amount of different color contacts. But this company right here, this is where it's at, you guys. So as soon as I'm done, well, before I'm done with these, I am going to repurchase some more on my own, because, well, I haven't even tried them on yet. Let me try them on first before I just get out there and say yes, this is what I really want. But so I'm going to take these contacts off that I have on. Normally I don't take off contacts before I take off my makeup, and I will be applying them with makeup on, and normally I definitely don't apply contacts with makeup on. So I'm not going to take my contacts that I have on now off on camera, but I will put the Vandora contacts on camera. Hopefully that works for me. Hopefully it works for me. But before I do all that, I wanted to show you guys what is in the box. So the box comes looking like this, and the insides look like that. I don't know why. I don't, but it's there. Yeah, there's some type of glitter situation there. I don't know why. I don't know why. I'm assuming, you know, their normal age demographic, these probably cater to them. I don't know. Then I got this right here. It is a mirror. Then they sent this card right here. You guys, I don't know what this means. At the bottom it says, to see a world in a grain of sand and a heaven in a wild flower. I don't get it. The contacts themselves come in this pouch right here. And at first when I pulled this out, I was like, okay, so which eye is which? But you have to open it up, and it says it on here which one is which. I'm blind. Okay, so these are little tweezers you can use to pick the contacts up with. I've never used anything like that before. And this right here, you guys, Lord have mercy, this you can use to apply the contact to your eyeball. I ain't never used nothing like this. I just use my finger and pop it in there. Wow. And then this is where you put your contacts when you store them at night. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go away Well, actually, before that, I'm going to change lenses and come in close so that you can see what the contacts that I'm currently wearing looks like. Okay, so this is what my contacts that I currently wear, which are my Fresh Look brand. Okay, here we are. Okay, so I can't see anything, so I'm hoping that we are focused. But this is what my brown eyes look like. So let's just take this in. Okay, so I'm gonna make adjustments so that you will be lowered, so that when I try to put these in, because I'm gonna have to be all on the mirror, on it, okay? So I've already washed my hands several times. That was one of the easiest things I've ever applied. Okay, that one not so much because I'm trying to look, and you can't be doing that. Here are the Vandora contacts. Mine are in gray, and I almost forgot to tell you which ones I picked. Little Fairy Caribbean Gray. Those are the ones that I picked, and they are from Vandora. And I want you guys, I hope you guys can see these. These are so beautiful. They are so, I don't know, I like this one over here. I can tell it's there. It's giving me troubles, this side. But this side over here is perfect. It went on with Without a Dream. I love them. They look beautiful. This is the lightest gray I've ever had. Well, not ever. There was this one time many years ago. But this is the color that it looked like, and this is so beautiful, you guys. I love it. What do you think? So, Vandora. Okay, yes, you guys, I love these. I love the way that they feel. I love the look of them. They are a true gray contact lens, and even with my dark brown eyes, they still look like gray. The application process was so smooth. I just pulled them out, and they came out actually exactly how you were supposed to put them on. I just pinched them, made the little taco just to make sure that they were on the correct side, and voila, they popped right in. I love it. I love them. Alright, you guys, that's the end of my video. I hope you liked it. If you're interested in contacts, then click on the description box and click on my link and go to town, child. Go to town. Because I'm going to be going back and using my link, and I'm going to be going to town and getting a discount. Alright, anyways, until next time, you guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
I'll be right beside you.